Every year millions of Indians pay income tax. But most people don't know which tax regime saves them more money. Old tax regime or new tax regime? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is best for you. What is income tax? Income tax is the tax you pay to the government on the money you earn. If your income crosses the basic exemption limit, you are legally required to pay income tax in India. Income can be from salary, business, freelancing, rent, interest, capital gains. The more you earn, the higher tax you may have to pay. Who has to pay income tax? If your annual income is below the exemption limit, no tax. Above the exemption limit, tax applicable. For most individuals, 3 Indian rupees lakh is the basic exemption under the new regime. Under old regime, exemption depends on age. But the biggest confusion starts here. Choosing between old versus new tax regime. Let's understand the old tax regime. In the old regime, tax rates are higher, but you get many deductions and exemptions. Popular deductions include Section 80C, PF, LIC, ELSS, PPF, HRA, House Rent Allowance, 80D, Health Insurance, Home Loan Interest, Education Loan Interest. So if you invest and plan your finances, you can reduce your taxable income significantly. Best for salaried employees with HRA, people investing regularly, people with home loans or insurance. Now let's talk about the new tax regime. In the new regime, tax rates are lower, but most deductions are not allowed. This regime is designed to simplify taxation, increase take-home salary, reduce paperwork. You don't need to invest just to save tax. Best for young professionals, people with fewer investments, freelancers and first-time taxpayers, people who want simple tax calculation. So which tax regime is better? Old regime. More deductions. More tax planning. Better if you invest. New regime. Lower tax rates. Simple system. Higher in-hand salary. There is no single best option. The best regime depends on your income, your investments, your lifestyle, your financial goals. Which one should you choose? If you already invest in PF, insurance, mutual funds, home loan, old regime may save you more tax. If you don't invest much and want simplicity, new regime is usually better. Always calculate both before filing returns. Income tax is not about paying more. It's about paying smartly and legally. Choosing the right tax regime can save you thousands of rupees every year.